let me cross the street or something, and I don't feel like running. I really just wanted like a break to breathe, and I'm like, okay, like I can keep going again. Thank you. Like,
Well, you have the right of way.
well, typically. But,
They're trying to be.
When you see them like slowing down, you just or it's not time you just slow down.
Yeah. Okay, so let's look at example 5. So example 5 is a little bit trickier because it does have a remainder. So I'm telling you that ahead of time, but it makes it a little bit tougher when there is a remainder, but it's not that much more difficult. What's
That's
up?
not an
Oh, sorry, that should be an M. Thank you.
Trick me.
No, I just typoed.
Are you kidding?
Sorry.
Even knows.
Yeah, I know. I was probably just so used to typing accent. Sorry. Thank you for pointing that out.
You got it.
I thought we were gonna use it.
Yeah, some crazy stuff. No wonder there's a remainder. There's a whole different variable. Okay. So we're going to divide here. Again, same steps. I'm going to kind of try to pause in between and let you guys go ahead. And then n times 2. Don't forget you have to subtract. So negative 3 minus 2 is going to be negative 5m. Drop down. Okay. Now I'm going to switch here. This divided by that. What do I get when I divide those two? Negative 5. And multiply that. So negative 10. Subtract. So here's where the remainder comes in. Because the n's cancel, I get negative 7 plus 10, so I get 3. So this is considered my remainder. Now to write that out, I didn't leave myself much space here. What I want to do, so the answer is m minus 5 plus the remainder divided by what I'm dividing by. So let me write that out and I'll show you what I do. So this is the way we're going to write our answer. I know.
Harry Styles.
The next one's a little long.
Yeah, a little bit longer.
No, Harry Styles made this up. That's what I thought she said at first. What did you say?
Aristotle.
Oh.
Or Harry Styles.
Harry
Either
Styles.
one. Why is it so long?
Why is it so long? The next one is long. Oh my gosh, yeah.
It fit in. I'm so.
It did fit in.
I did it at my own expansive process here.
Yeah.
You can do it in second.
My issue is that my husband would say that at home as a joke, so yeah.
So you don't
He's
wanna
got the jokes of 14-year-old boys, so okay.
He's always like, shake your booty.
He's odd. Okay.
Like what happened when my dad embarrasses my mom, I always say that's your husband. And
Right.
she's like, that's your dad. I'm like,
Oh, yeah, that's what
She's the dad.
That's what my grandma says. She's like, that's your grandpa. And I'm like, you married him.
Right.
Oh no,
Like, that's
she'll
your
say
brother.
you're related to him, and I'm saying you married him.
Right, because it's our choice to marry him versus.
Remember my dad makes that joke, my mom just kind of said,
That's funny.
I usually pull out Michael. Like Michael comes out when he's embarrassing me.
And then the
Alright.
kids know.
Yeah.
Snap.
Okay, so this one is long. The reason it's long is because I want us to practice this process over and over again. There's not going to be ones that are this long in our homework, I don't think.
So is that a minus with just a dot over the
Yeah, sorry, I just can't erase it now.
It was just a minus.
Yeah, is that okay?
Yeah, I just.
It's a new symbol. Just starting.
Derek.
Okay. So divide. What's gonna go on top first?
5.
Not just 5.
200.
Oh,
5x.
5x to the 5th divided by x. What do I get?
5.
25. Wait,
You guys, you know how to do this. We just did this. What do we get?
25.
You guys were dividing.
Oh, 5x, almost 4.
Thank you.
Somebody said that.
5x. Someone might have said that, but someone said a lot of other things that were not correct.
You said that, and I was so confused.
We have visual or audio proof of this, so we can. Okay. But anyway, I did heard a lot of other things. So that's okay. Yeah, I heard 200 quite a few times and 225. So
Garrett.
all right, now we're ready to multiply back. Remember, it's always going to be the same first, but then 5 times 4 is going to be 20, and x to the 4th. And just subtract. 21 minus 20 is going to be 1. And I brought down the next term. You can bring them down one at a time. You don't have to bring them all down at once.
Oh,
If you wanted to, you could, but.
I forgot to bring, I always forget to bring down the figures, and I forget to look like.
All right. Now we're dividing here. So 1x to the 4th divided by x.
X4.
X to the 3rd.
A positive x to the 3rd. Again, we have to multiply. And then 4x to the 3rd. So it ends up being 3 minus 4, negative 1. All right, now I'm doing negative 1x to the 3rd divided by x. I'm gonna get 3. So do you understand where we're getting this from? So it's 3 minus 1 is 2. So x to the 2nd, but it's gonna be a negative x to the 2nd. Need to multiply back again. Ooh, this is the kind of weird one. What happens here? They both cancel. These are both 0, but I still need to, I still need to drop down. And I'm actually going to drop down them both so that I have just because I can drop them down all the time, but. All right, last thing here, we're ready to divide again.
Oh, yeah.
This will be our last step. Okay, negative 2x divided by x, what do we get? Negative 2.
There you go, Garrett.
1 out of 4 is good. All right, so then multiply that back. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. What's our remainder then? 10. So 10 is our remainder. So on the end of this, I'm going to write 10 over that x plus 4.
Oh, snap. 3rd grade remainder me would be like, what the heck are you doing?
Remember when we learned?
Probably like 3rd grade.
Whenever we learn multiplication, so like,
3rd, 4th, I don't know.
For some reason, I remember it earlier than that, but maybe I was just way more advanced then.
Oh.
wasn't it your period when I factored through and then upgrade?
Oh, yeah. All right. So let's at least get this next one set up. This is a special one. This is our last one. This one's a little bit tricky. Do you notice why it's a little bit tricky? Does anyone see what's
X minus 1.
There's no,
It just doesn't work.
Gabby, you had it. What is it? You were about to say it, I think.
um,
There's something about it that's different.
like,
It's undefined.
there's,
You wish. What's different about this?
Oh wait, there's no like X.
There- Yeah, so there's a missing term.
oh,
So there's a missing, oh, don't do that.
Whoa.
wow.
There's a missing term.
Pick one.
So how do I fill in a space, like a placeholder?
0.
Yeah, kind of like you did, you wanted to do at the start. You wanted to put that placeholder as a 0 to begin with. We can put a 0x² in to put a placeholder. If you don't do that, long division's a big mess. So we want to make sure we put that in on this one, and then we'll be done with this. I mean, we do this problem, but we want to put that in.
So you're not supposed to make like long division signs like this. This is just square root.
That's square root, yeah.
So I always do it like that.
I feel like that's how we're talking.
Yeah, that's how Randomly taught me.
That means whoever taught you that probably didn't even realize square root was something different.
Yeah.
Which means they maybe were a strong math student themselves. So it's okay.
Probably better in the English field.
I often hear like younger teachers saying they don't like math.
Bless you.
Cool thing. Good thing you're the one who's getting us all started on.
Right.
All right. So that placeholder is really important in this case. So same steps though, we're gonna divide. What do we get? Garrett, what do we get? X to the 4th divided by X.
X.
Yeah.
X what?
To the 4th. Oh, shoot.
There's 4 on top, 1 on the bottom.
X to the 3rd.
There we go.
Oh my gosh.
I only took 3 choices. Got it. Okay, so X to the 3rd. All right, yes, you did, very good.
You deserve a gold star.
He just needs that little placeholder.
Okay, so I multiplied that back, there's subtract. And again, you're gonna be glad we had that placeholder there. So -2 minus 1,
-3.
-3. Okay, divide again. -3x to the 3rd, divide by x.
Garrett.
Someone other than Garrett? Yeah, good. -3x squared. You're assigned to help Garrett. Okay, then multiply back. -3x squared times 1 is just a -3x squared. Back to subtract. Those first terms should always cancel. I have 0 minus a -3. It's a +3. 3x squared. There's still an x there. Okay. So, what's that? Yeah. So 3x squared divided by x.
3x.
Multiply back. Subtract. X minus 3x.
-3.
1 minus 3.
-2.
-2x. Minus 1. And then now, we'll go one more time here.
Oh, geez.
equals negative 2x divided by x. Negative 2.
Dang.
So subtract one more time. Negative 1 minus a negative 2. Ooh, Franklin, I got a positive 1. I'm hoping you just made this mistake on that last time. Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right. Are those kind of satisfying or no?
Oh, do you really are?
A little bit.
Or sports are
No, this is not.
I like when it's x, find x.
Yeah.
Those are better.
All right, guys.